When most people think about engineers, they think about complicated mathematics, hard physics problems, and in the words of my roommate, people that build things. But wherever you go, from the roads that you drive on to the buildings that you work in, you are impacted by the works of civil engineering. With how many different areas this career encompasses, it's easy to see why it takes somebody well-rounded and determined to be successful. My name is Eric Lucas, and I'm determined to become a professional civil engineer. Being successful in this field takes having a vision. Not just a vision for your career path, but having one for designing. I have the passion and practice for this kind of job that I develop in my hobbies. In my free time, I love to use 3D modeling programs like AutoCAD and SolidWorks to draft ideas for buildings that I have in my head and to test the boundaries of what can be done. Even when I'm walking around town, I see buildings and I envision ways that they could be better built or improved. This is why I have the vision that it takes to do this kind of job. But having a vision is only a part of being successful. It's also important to have the experience to know what kind of drafts will work and also what is the most practical way to build what you've designed. Over the past 2 years, I've worked in construction and maintenance jobs, getting to learn that some plans for buildings are much more complicated than they need to be. In my work, I will make sure that I design buildings that can be easily constructed. I will also figure out the best way to lay out a building for easy maintenance and preservation. Civil engineering is the second oldest discipline of engineering, and as the history of the occupation proves, it takes somebody who is experienced and versatile to be successful. This is why, with my experience and my passion, I will be a great civil engineer.